The debate on who is the best serves as an entry point to introduce the poem here.
An argument, a quarrel is going on here also. You know who are quarreling? I'll show you. Here is the squirrel. It is sitting on the mountain and quarreling. See, why are they quarreling? I am the best. The squirrel says, I am the best.
Yes.
Oh, that's why they are quarreling.
Based on the picture, the children are led to making predictions on possible claims of the characters.
My house, okay, the mountain said. So, why are they quarreling actually? Let us see.
This prediction and the communicational expectancy generated thus necessitate the learners to take up individual reading of the poem.
Will the squirrel reply?
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What will he reply?
I am not a little prig.
I am not a little prig. Okay.
I am a little prig, I agree. But I can run, I can jump, but you cannot.
I am a little prig. But you are a statue.
Anything else? Okay, let us see what actually did this squirrel reply. What did one reply? You are doubtless very big. Okay, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a ear and a spear. The squirrel accepts the mountain. Which line tells you that?
You are doubtless very big.
But he says something.
All sorts
All sorts of things and weather. Here, a word is used for earth. Can you say that?
Sphere.
What are the things on earth?
Living things.
Living things. Okay. What are the living things? Trees. Oh, rivers are there. They are non-living things. Then mountains. What else? Butterflies are there. People are there. Many animals are there. Birds are there. Earth. All these make up the earth. Okay. What makes a year? Weather. What are the weathers? Summer, winter, then you said rainy season. All these seasons make up the year. Okay. Here we see that all things are needed on earth and all types of weathers are needed to complete a year. Okay. What does the squirrel mean by this? All are important, so I am also important. Is this the argument of the squirrel? Yes, that is the argument of the squirrel. Which lines say that?
All sorts of
What would be the other arguments of the squirrel and the mountain? This question leads the learners to the reading of the poem.
And the squirrel makes some more arguments. That is there in your textbook. Okay, take the textbook. So what are the arguments of the squirrel? Large is important, small is also important. Which lines tell you that?
If I am not so large as you, you are not so small as I.
Okay.
The teacher asks scaffolding questions then and there to help the learners to get into the poem.
And not have so sprite.
The squirrel is not energetic. Yes. Who is not energetic?
Finally, the teacher consolidates the points made by the groups. Focusing on appreciation, the teacher asks the learners to identify the lines they like. The learners identify them and tell why they like a particular line or lines. All these generate a lot of meaningful communication in the class.
All have their own spaces, their own places on earth, on the earth.